about 15 feet past where it rises up. And then here are our loops. So they're nested. All right there. And then they continue. And we have quite a bit of volume here, first off. Up and high, but between the structure and the pipes, there's maybe 2 feet. There's a lot of other stuff. Obviously, we got electrical conduits, domestic water going over there, rift drains, a lot of volume there. But that's where you rise up. You go vertical right there and get up to this height, and then come across. And you got little, like, reheat pipes. There's those hydronic lines right there. And then we look beyond, and it's pretty openish. It's those framing things, for all the little drop sockets. The modern beams.